जहाँ 4 कोस में बदले पानी, 8 कोस में वाणी, जहाँ हिंदू मुस्लिम सिख ईसाई सब आपस में भाई भाई, अनेकता में एकता जिसकी पहचान है, मेरा भारत महान है, मेरा भारत महान है।
Today we come together to celebrate that very spirit of India, the feelings of patriotism that runs our veins and connect us to each other, no matter where we are, the energy, the strength and the passion we carry for this great nation.
Absolutely, Manat. And today our performers are here to express this undying love for the nation. Through every moment, every step, they bring to life the very essence of India, the unity, the pride, the sacrifice that makes this land extraordinary.
In the world that constantly changes, patriotism remains constant, a flame that never dims. And as we watch this performance, we are all reminded that we are part of something greater, something that binds us beyond our boundaries.
So let's get ready to feel the power of patriotism through this dance, a tribute to the bravery, sacrifice and unwavering love that we share for our motherland.
Let's witness the magic of this performance as our dancers pour out their heart into celebrating India in all its glory.
की बूंदे, बूंदों में जीत ही गूंजे। रोको ना सपनों के तूफानों को, रोको ना कस्बों की उड़ानों को, रोको ना आंखों के निशानों को। आग जैसे बरसा दे ये इरादे, जिगरा है जिगरा है जिगरा है जिगरा है, जिगरे से निकलेंगी चिंगारियां। ओ जिगरा है जिगरा है जिगरा है जिगरा है, जिगरे से निकलेंगी चिंगारियां।
ये नया हिंदुस्तान है, ये हिंदुस्तान घर में घुसेगा भी और मारेगा।
नाम नहीं एक जश्न है भारत, रग रग में है जीत की आदत। ऐसा हुनर दुश्मन भी सलामी दे। तू सूरज हम तेरे उजाले, तुझसे जुदा नहीं होने वाले। आखिर तक हम सफर तिरंगे के। जय हिंद जो नस नस में है, हर बाजी फिर बस में है। सिद्ध जान के हिंदुस्तान बोले। सलाम सलाम जय सलाम सलाम वंदे मातरम। सलाम सलाम जय सलाम सलाम वंदे मातरम।
तेरा हिमालय आकाश छूले, बहती रहे तेरी गंगा। ऊंचा हो इतना इतना बुलंद हो, तारों को छूमे तिरंगा। माँ से है माटी, माँ से है माथा, माथे पे माटी सजा के चले। माए चलती रहे खौफ हवाएं, लहरा के झूमे तिरंगा। आजाद रहे आबाद रहे तू, तारों को झूमे तिरंगा। माँ से है माटी, माँ से है माथा, माथे पे माटी सजा के चले। माए चलती रहे बेखौफ हवाएं, लहरा के झूमे तिरंगा। आजाद रहे आबाद रहे तू, तारों को झूमे तिरंगा। माए तेरे लिए मर मिटेंगे, तेरे बेटे ना पीछे हटेंगे। जब तुझ पे आँच आए हमें तू पुकार लेना, बलिदान का बहाना हमें बार बार देना। ये जो जानवान है तेरे सामने क्या है, कोई शूरवीर ही प्राण दान देता है। माँ से है माटी, माँ से है माथा, माथे पे माटी सजा के चले। माए चलती रहे बेखौफ हवाएं, लहरा के झूमे तिरंगा। आजाद रहे आबाद रहे तू, तारों को झूमे तिरंगा।
The dancers truly celebrated India in all its glory. That was really amazing.
I'm sure you have heard about the people. Some say that some performance leave you speechless. But what if I told you that the next one we are about to witness could do even more than that?
Oh, I'm intrigued. You know, sometimes it's not just about steps or music. It's about how the performers make you feel like, right?
Exactly. The kind of performance that takes you into another world. Every movement, every gesture seems to carry its own language. It is as if the dancers are speaking directly to us.
And when the performance is like that, it's not just about strength or grace, it's about the story they tell us without using a word. Every step, every leap becomes a message.
Absolutely. This dance is known for its precision, grace, and emotional depth.
It's a form of art that brings together beauty and discipline. It's as if the dancers are...
And tonight, our performers are ready to show you just that. So, ladies and gentlemen, presenting before you Ballet Morient Bachata.
हम तुम चले टेढ़े मेढ़े से रस्तों पे नंगे पाँव रे, चल भटक लेना पाँव रे। क्यों न हम तुम फिरे जाके अलमस्त पहचानी राहों के परे, चल भटक लेना पाँव रे। टिमटिमाती निगाहों में, इन चमचमाती अदाओं में, लुके हुए छुपे हुए है क्या ख्याल बावरे। सुन खनखनाती है जिंदगी, ले हमें बुलाती है जिंदगी। जो करना है वो आज कर, ना इसको टाल बावरे। इश्क में दिल बना है, इश्क में दिल फना है। ओ मिटा दे या बना दे, मैंने तुझको चुना है। ओ तेरे सारे रंग ओढ़ के, डंग ओढ़ के, तेरा हुआ मैं सबको छोड़ के।
क्या तुमने कभी वो रूहानी सुर सुने हैं जो दिल की गहराइयों को छूकर हमें खुदा से मिला देते हैं? सूफी संगीत और नृत्य ये केवल आवाज़ और गति नहीं, बल्कि एक ऐसी इबादत है जो रूह से रूह तक का सफ़र तय कराती है।
बिल्कुल, हर गुमाव, हर लय, जैसे इबादत के हर पल में खुदा का नाम गूंज रहा हो। ये केवल शारीरिक नृत्य नहीं बल्कि आत्मा का हर एक कण खुदा से जुड़ने की कोशिश करता है।
तो चलिए इस अनोखी इबादत के सफर पर निकलते हैं। सूफी नृत्य केवल देखने के लिए नहीं बल्कि आत्मा से आत्मा तक पहुंचने का एक अनमोल अनुभव है।
The performance have been wonderful, but what coming next will be an entire different experience. Do you know what Sufi dance look like?
Yes, I do. It's fascinating. Sufi dance or whirling dervishes isn't just about movement, it's about spiritual surrender. The dancers enter a state of deep devotion, spinning in a way that connects them to the divine.
It's so much more than just spinning around. It's dance that almost look like prayer.
Exactly. The dance speaks directly to our soul. Now, let's welcome the Sufi dancers to guide us on the spiritual and mystical journey.
तेरे ही नाम तक हर इंतहा है, तेरी हमदो सना अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह के तू सजना, तेरे बिना बेसुआदी बेसुआदी रतियां सजना, रुकी रे वो रुकी रे कांटू रे काटे कटे ना, तेरे बिना बेसुआदी बेसुआदी रतियां वो सजना, तेरे बिना बेसुआदी बेसुआदी रतियां वो सजना।
Re ga ga ma 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 pa 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 ma ga re ra ra re ra ga ga re ma ma ga pa pa ma da da ma ni ni da da ma ma da ma da ni da ni da la 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 नजरें बोले दुनिया तोले दिल की ज़बान है, दिल की ज़बान, इश्क मांगे इश्क चाहे कोई तूफान है, साबिश में शामिल सारा जहां है, हर ज़र्रे ज़र्रे की ये इल्तिजा है।
देखो ना जुल्फों से कैसे जुल्फों से तेरी छुपती प्यारी प्यारी सी मुस्कान है, और नजरें झुकी और नजरें उठी, तो मैं क्या ही करूं बर्बाद मैं क्या।
देखो चांद आया, चांद नजर आया मितवा, देखो चांद आया, चांद नजर आया, देखो चांद आया, चांद नजर आया, आया 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 चांद आया, शर्माया यहाँ आया आया, कहाँ जी आया शर्माया, तू भी आ जा
What a style, what a swag, astonished thunderous. us about a mysterious performance that's about to shatter the boundaries of contemporary dance.
Rumors are circulating about a piece so bold, so daring that it will leave the audience questioning the reality itself.
I have tried to uncover the truth, but the dancers have been keeping the details under wraps. All I know is that it's something like whispers in the shadows.
I was seeing glimpses of choreography, and I can tell you that it's like nothing you have ever seen before. It's a fusion movement, music and emotion that will leave you breathless.
The anticipation is overwhelming. I need to know what's about to unfold on that stage, and I think I'm not the only one.
Then let's do it. Let's welcome the dancers on the stage and experience shades of rhythm together through the performance of contemporary dance.
बावरा है, तू ही जाने तू क्या सोचता है, तू ही जाने तू क्या सोचता है बावरे, क्यों दिखाए सपने तू सोते जागते, जो बरसे सपने बूंद बूंद नैनों को मूंद मूंद, जो बरसे सपने बूंद बूंद नैनों को मूंद मूंद, कैसे मैं चलूं देख ना सकूं अनजाने रास्ते।
जैसा है कोई एक तारा धूम जैसा है कोई एक तारा, धूम जैसा है कोई एक तारा धूम जैसा है कोई एक तारा, धीमे बोले कोई एक तारा धीमे बोले कोई एक तारा, धूम जैसा है कोई एक तारा धूम जैसा है कोई एक तारा। क्या याद रहेगी हाथ में तेरे राख रहेगी, हो सवेरा सो जाएगा ख्वाब तेरा भी खो जाएगा।
मैं रेत सी बूंद का सरिया तो पा के तुझे भीग जाऊं रे, मैं रेत सी बूंद का सरिया तू पाके तुझे भीग जाऊं रे,
मैं तर जाऊं तर जाऊं दरिया ये तर जाऊं जी, इश्क ये पाके मैं तेरा निखर जाऊं।
With every step, the shades of rhythm fill the atmosphere with serenity and happiness. Let's give a warm round of applause to the performers for sharing this beautiful moment with us.
Ladies and gentlemen, now what we are about to witness is a dance like no other. Untamed, unpredictable and purely instinctive. No rules, no limits. Just the beat and the dancers in their most authentic form.
Yes, when it comes to freestyle dance, there are no scripts, no boundaries. It's a space where the dancers become the creator of their own rhythm, flowing freely with the music.
It's a form of an art where the movement itself is the message. The dancers aren't just following steps, they are letting the music tell them what to do. The beat is their guide and their partner.
And that's what makes it so powerful. It's all about pure expression, raw energy and freedom. They're not just dancing, they're letting their soul sing.
It's spontaneous, it's alive. It's something we can't wait to see unfold. So without any further ado, let's welcome the freestyle dancers.
3, 2, 1.
रख लो सजा के तुझे सीने से लगा के आजा गले लग जा ख्वाब बना के तुझे दिल में छुपा के रखूं मेरे पास आ तो मुलाकातों में काली रातों में बातों ही बातों में दिल दे दिया तेरी बातों में उलझा जिया बैठे ही बैठे मैंने दिल खो दिया मैंने दिल खो दिया
Make it pop, 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 pop like this. Make it knock, 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 knock like this. Make it pop, 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 pop like this. Make it knock, 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 knock like this.
तेरी सुपर डुपर कमरिया हाथ में डाले हाथ नचेंगे सारी रात आज मिला है हमको सुपर सुपर सांवरिया दाएं से थोड़ा बाएं से हो आज हिला दे सारी दुनिया जब देखो बना दी लाल पीली अखियां जब देखो बना दी लाल पीली अखियां मैं नहीं डरता भले ही डरो तू मेरी खामोशी है मिस वर्ल्डवाइड तू मेरी मदहोशी है हे हरिराम
These dancers have captivated us with their graceful moves. Let's celebrate their brilliance with an ocean of applause. When the rhythm hits, the world moves. It's not just a beat, it's an explosion of energy, a celebration of freedoms and a revolution in motion. Absolutely. Funky is the sound of rebellion. It's the pulse of jazz, hip-hop and disco combined into a whirlwind of creativity. The dance that goes with it, well, it's all about breaking up the mold and expressing yourself and having a blast while doing it. It's the attitude, the moves, the style all wrapped up into this dance form that is unadaptable as it electrifies from popping to locking, fretting to the rocker. This is a performance where rules don't exist, only the rhythm that sets you free. Get ready to be taken on a journey filled with daring moves and contagious energy. These performers are here to show you what it means to let go, to feel the beat and to dance like no one's watching. Let the funky take over. It's time of the performance that's bold, courageous and unstoppable. Let's welcome the groove.
Not your night, but not your night. Do you feel alright? When not your night.
Dance with me, baby, won't you dance with me all night? Won't you party, 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 won't you run the floor all night?
Not your night, but not your night. Do you feel alright? When not your night.
Dance with me, baby, won't you dance with me all night? Won't you party, 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 won't you run the floor all night? प्यारे प्यारे लम्हे, प्यारी प्यारी बातें, सपनों के दिन है, सपनों की रातें।
In that case, Mr. Raju Rastogi,
Yes, sir.
can you tell us how an induction motor starts?
चिंता करके क्या पाएगा, मरने से पहले मर जाएगा। ओ चिंता करके क्या पाएगा, मरने से पहले मर जाएगा। सुनिए खाना काम आएगा, बस खाने पीने जीने क्योंकि जिंदगी है शॉर्ट। अरे पगले फिक्र नॉट, अरे पगले फिक्र नॉट, अरे पगले फिक्र नॉट, अरे पगले फिक्र नॉट। होने दे, होने दे, होने दे, अरे पगले फिक्र नॉट।
That was a truly stunning portrait of daring moves. A big round of applause
for the performers who are bold and unstoppable. If you want to run away with me, I know a galaxy and I can take you for a ride. I had a proper mission that we fell into a rhythm where the music don't stop for life. Glitter in the sky, glitter in my eyes, shines the way I like.
From your expression, I feel something epic is about to ignite.
Any guesses?
Full-on retro dance extravaganza that will take back you in time.
You got that. Visualize the iconic dance moves of the past fused with modern energy and style.
Our talented dancers are ready with their craft and style to blow your mind with their retro-inspired routine.
From the flashy fashion to the infectious beats, every detail has been carefully curated to create an unforgettable effect.
So, be ready to embark on this thrilling journey through the decades.
Let's get this party started and make some unforgettable memories that will last a lifetime.
They got the moves, they got the action, and they rock the stage. So I would like to invite our talented students from 9 to 12 who are going to perform retro dance.
Friends, it's showtime.
There's something different about this girl. The way she moved, her hair, her face, her lines, divinity in motion. And she stood look through the old walls, and her head turned to feel passion and lust. The girl I trust. The girl was bad. The girl was dangerous. She's crazy like a fool. Why not daddy cool? She's crazy like a fool. Why not daddy cool? I'm crazy like a fool. Why not daddy cool? Daddy cool. Daddy cool.
Mr. Worldwide to infinity, you know the roof on fire. We gon' boogie, oogie, oogie, jiggle, wiggle, and dance like the roof on fire. We gon' drink drinks and take shots until we fall out like the roof on fire. Now baby, give a booty naked, take off all your clothes and light the roof on fire. Tell her, baby, 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 I'm on fire. I tell her, baby, 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 I'm a fireball. This way. Get up, एक तू ही बस प्यार है मेरा, कोई नहीं तेरे पहले, कोई होना तेरे बाद ना। अखियाँ ले जाए मेरी जान, ओ सोनी सोनी मुझको बचाए तेरी ना। कल मेरी मर जा, तू मेरी मर जा, मिट्टी मिट्टी तेरा ख्वाब है तू, मेरा क्या कसूर, तू देती है सुकून, जो तेरे रस्सी और शराब है तू। कल मेरी मर जा, तू मेरी मर जा, मिट्टी मिट्टी तेरा ख्वाब है तू, मेरा क्या कसूर, तू देती है सुकून, जो तेरे रस्सी और शराब है Pull up skirt, skirt on your body, performing just like my Rari. You're too fine, need a ticket. I bet you taste expensive. Pouring up on a leader. You keeping up, you should keep it. Tequila and vodka, girl, you might be a problem. Run away, run away, run away, run away. I know that I should, but my heart wanna stay, wanna stay, wanna stay, wanna wanna take it down right now if I could. So I hope you know what I mean when I say, let me take you dancing. Two-step to the bedroom. We don't need no dance floor. Let me see your best move. Anything could happen. Ever since I met you, no need to imagine. Baby, all I'm asking is let me take you dancing. Like that.
We would like to request the VVIP special guest, Honorable MLA of Rajouri, Jammu and Kashmir, Mr. Iftikhar Ahmed Ji, to grace the stage.
I would also like to call Guest of Honor, Shri Ramesh Lal Kundal Ji, Additional Session and District Judge, to grace the stage.
We request the members of our worthy management to escort the guests and present them with a token of appreciation.
I'm really honored and delighted to have our gracious chief guest presence and our guest of honor. आप लोग बस 2 मिनट और इंतज़ार करें, इसके बाद आखिरी परफॉर्मेंस पंजाब की शान भांगड़ा इसके बाद प्रस्तुत किया जाएगा. And I now request Andy to say a few words.
After so much thrilling performance, addressed by politician is something boring now, so I will not bore you. First of all, before starting my address, I pay my humble tribute to Shri late Surjit Mahajan ji, who was founder of this great institution. Today, we are celebrating the annual function of this institution, Dharohar. Dharohar means legacy. First of all, I congratulate Sani Mahajan ji, Chairman Pratapgarh School, and his entire team, who is providing quality education to the student of not only Punjab but entire India. I am directly related with this institution for last so many years, and I have seen students are doing well in education, students are doing well in co-curricular activities, and students are doing very well in sports as well. So my sincere advice to the student of this institution is just follow your passion, follow your dream. One day you will succeed in your mission. I am highly thankful to management and all staff members for inviting me and giving me this opportunity to address this gathering. Thank you so much.
I would like to request Rabi Pal on stage and Humad on stage. Humad is one of our ex-student who passed class 12 last year, and he is one of the best cricketer who has already selected for state level cricket team from Punjab. So I would like to request our guest to give him an appreciation trophy for his remarkable contribution towards the field of cricket.
boy playing since 5th standard, and I can vouch for him that one day you will play for Team India, and that is a promise that you're making him. God bless you.
Ravi Pal is the child who has joined our boarding house in grade 1. He has spent more than the days in our hostel in his life till date, and he has stayed less at his residence with the parents. And for grade 1 till grade 10th, he has every year scored more than 95%, and this is a real home to him. The child who is an all-rounder in every field. So we are appreciating him by presenting a blazer from our school fraternity. Now, I would like to request our directors and the worthy members of management just to give a small token of gratitude to our guests, those who have spared their valuable time and traveled all the way from Rajouri and Sopore and stayed with us in this evening. I would like to request all the parents, please give a big round of applause for our guests. And just wait for a minute, the last item, Bhangra, will be presented very soon.
One last message which I would like to give to you when you go home. Confidence और पॉजिटिव अप्रोच, ये रिसर्च में भी पाया गया है, जितने भी टॉप परफॉर्मर्स एकेडमिकली, स्पोर्ट्स में, किसी भी फील्ड में, टफेस्ट कॉम्पिटिशन्स लाइक यूपीएससी, सिविल सर्विसेज, एक रिसर्च ये निकल के आई है कि ये दो चीज़ें, कॉन्फिडेंस एंड पॉजिटिव अप्रोच, अगर आप ट्विन कॉम्बिनेशन लेके चलेंगे साथ में, 100% the chances of success is very, very high. It is a research proven method. So we want that every child should think confidently, should behave confidently, should act confidently, and also at the same time should have a deep rooted positive approach in life. Thank you so much.
The beats of the dhol, the colorful swirl of fulkari, and the irresistible lure that propels your entire being to move and shake your body of its own. Yes, we're talking about the heart-pounding magic of Bhangra, the Punjabi folk dance.
But before that, let's take a moment to reflect back and thank everyone who have made this evening a truly extraordinary one.
A heartfelt gratitude to our esteemed chief guest, Shri Lal Chand Kadaru Chakji, Consumer Affairs, Civil Supplies, Civil Supplies and Consumer Affairs in the Government of Punjab. Your benign presence has ignited a spark in all of us and assured us of the importance of cultural pride. Thank you very much, sir, to grace this remarkable occasion.
We extend our hearty gratitude to Honorable MLA of Rajouri, Jammu and Kashmir, Mr. Iftikhar Ahmed Ji, Guest of Honor, and Additional Honorable Session and District Judge Shri Ramesh Lal Ji Kundal for joining us this evening.
From the bottom of our hearts, a big thanks goes to our visionary leaders, Chairperson Mrs. Shashi Mahajanji, Director Mrs. Sunny Mahajanji, Director Mrs. Oshin Mahajanji, and Principal Mrs. Shubharanji. Your leadership is shaping our Partha Board group of institutions into the shining beacon of excellence. We are grateful to our proud parents who entrust us with the most precious gift, their children. Your constant belief and collaboration make this journey meaningful. Your cooperation is indeed commendable.
To our talented students, today you have shown the world what talent truly looks like. You have captured the very essence of Dharoha by your passion, your talent and your energy. You have made us proud and filled this day with a lot of jubilation.
And a heartfelt thanks to our dedicated faculty, teachers, staff and volunteers. Your tireless efforts behind the scene, whether it's coordinating, organizing or making sure everything goes smoothly, has made this celebration a success. A big thanks to our people for our light and sound system, stage setup and the workers and the helpers, and everyone who helped in making this evening an exceptional one. Your efforts are truly commendable. Thank you very much, one and all.
ਤਾਲ ਵਿੱਚ ਗਿੱਧਾ ਜੇ ਤੂੰ ਪਾਉਣਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਜਾਣਦੀ, ਲੱਕ ਨਾਲ ਠੁਮਕਾ ਜੇ ਲਾਉਣਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਜਾਣਦੀ। ਤਾਲ ਵਿੱਚ ਗਿੱਧਾ ਜੇ ਤੂੰ ਪਾਉਣਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਜਾਣਦੀ, ਲੱਕ ਨਾਲ ਠੁਮਕਾ ਜੇ ਲਾਉਣਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਜਾਣਦੀ। ਉਹ ਬੋਲੀ ਪਾ ਕੇ ਬੋਲ ਜੇ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਚੱਕਣਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਆਉਂਦਾ। ਤੂੰ ਕਾਦੀ ਪੰਜਾਬਣ ਜੇ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਨੱਚਣਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਆਉਂਦਾ। ਬਹੁਤ ਵਧੀਆ ਜੀ। The culture of this land thrives in its heart and the soul of Punjab comes alive through its dance. Bhangra, born from the joy of the harvest, and Gita, a graceful celebration of womanhood. Each move radiates forward, each beat reflects the soul of Punjab, and together they honor the legacy that runs through our veins.
That's true. Originally, Bhangra is a dance from the land of 5 rivers, Punjab, but it has become popular nationwide. It would not be an exaggeration to say that Bhangra has transcended national borders, making it synonymous to Indian culture and identity.
Get ready to be swept away in the celebration of life, getting raptured together in the triumph of delight.
मित्रों पंजाबियां दी जान भंगड़ा, खुशी दे मौकियां दी शान भंगड़ा। बोली उत्ते बोली पैंदी हुंदी है कमाल, एक दूजे तो वध सोने गभरू ते मुटियार नच नच के भंगड़े च पाउंदे ने धमाल। हुण तुहाडे सामने पेश करन जा रहे हन प्रताप वर्ल्ड स्कूल दे गभरू ते मुटियारा, पंजाब दी आन बान ते शान। भंगड़ा 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 पंजाबियां दे ओए।
Oh,
Sayonara, bye bye. Sayonara, bye bye. Sweet dreams.
As we come to the end of this incredible evening, I want to thank each and every one of you for being part of this celebration. Let our hopes and aspirations grow more and more. We wish you all Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year ahead. Goodbye, Tata, Shabba Khair, Shubh Rati. I hope you all enjoyed. It was a wonderful evening with all of you. We all enjoyed your company and we hope you enjoyed ours too. Tata, bye bye, sayonara.